Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add text highlight color in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, I will show that the video is add text highlight color. Now select from the any text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the text highlight color. Now for click. That's it. Then I show the add text highlight color. Then again other text highlight color. Now for select. Now then go to the text highlight color option. Then click for the other color option. Now for click. Then choose color. Then again apply the same process. That is. Then I show the add highlight color text in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.